Dear students, so today's session we are going to discuss about the immunity ಬಗ್ಗೆ discussion ಮಾಡೋಣ and what the immunity will be suggesting us. Immunity is nothing but the ability of a person or a host to fight with the disease causing organisms is called as immunity. So immunity ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿ ರೋಗಾಣುಗಳ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ immunity ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. In this immunity, we are classified into two major types. The first one is called it as innate immunity, and the second one is called acquired immunity. The first one is called innate immunity, and the second one is called acquired immunity. So let us discussing about the first one, innate immunity. So what the innate immunity will be suggesting us? Innate immunity is nothing but it is presented at the time of birth itself. It is presented at the time of birth itself. That is what called it as innate immunity. And these innate immunities are non-specific type of defense. These innate immunities are non-specific type of defense. Non-specific type of defense. So in this immunity there we can be seen four kinds of barriers. Those are called, the first one is called it as physical barrier. The second one is called it as physiological barrier. And the third one, which is called it as cellular barrier. And the fourth one, which is called it as cytokine barrier. Cytokine barrier. There are four kinds of barrier that we can be seen in the innate immunity. Those are called physical barrier. Second one is called physiological barrier. The third one is called cellular barrier, and the fourth one is called cytokine barrier. So the first one, physical barrier. So physical barrier is nothing but the skin and mucus. Which will be coating to the respiratory system, urogenital tract and gastrointestinal tract, which it can be prevents the microorganism so that it will be protected from our body to the foreign agents. So which is called it as a physical barrier. So the second one is called it as the physiological barrier. The second one, which is called it as physiological barrier. So in the physiological barrier, there we can be seen the mouth part. Especially the mouth will be having a saliva, or the mouth has to be secreted a saliva. And tears from eyes. And acid in stomach. So these are called it as a physiological barrier, that is saliva in mouth, tears from eyes and acid in stomach. If the microorganisms has to be comes to the mouth or eyes or in the stomach part, it will be prevents and it will be destroy them. That is what called it as physiological barrier. So moving on to the third one, which is called it as cellular barrier. Barrier. So here in the cellular barrier, the name itself suggesting the cells. So we are going to talking about the RBC. That means the blood is having a leukocytes such as polymorphonuclear leukocytes The blood will be having a leukocytes, such as polymorpho, nuclear leukocytes and monocytes and even macrophages, which will be phagocytes the pathogen. Macrophages which will be phagocytes the pathogen. Is called cellular barrier. So what do you mean by cellular barrier? The blood is having a leukocytes such as nuclear leukocytes and monocytes, macrophages which phagocytes the pathogen are called cellular barrier. And the last one, which is called it as cytokine barrier. Cytokine barrier. So in this cytokine barrier, we are going to discuss you about a special type of protein called interferons. A special type of proteins are called interferons, which has to be secreted by a virus infected cells. And it will be help it to segregate the viral infection. That means the normal cells and the virus infected cells has to be segregated by a special type of protein called interferons. So these are called it as a cytokine barrier. Understood, right? So these are called it as the innate immunity, 4 kinds of barriers. The first one is physical barrier, the second one is physiological barrier, the third one is cellular barrier, and the fourth one is cytokine barrier. Understood, right? Does anyone have doubts regarding these things?
ಯಾವುದು ಲೇಟ